Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove print from school t-shirts. First, identify the type of print on your garment, as different methods work best for heat transfer vinyl versus screen printing. Gather your supplies, such as an iron, rubbing alcohol, or a specialized solvent. Always test any removal method on a small, hidden area of the fabric to prevent damage or discoloration before proceeding. To remove heat transfer vinyl, begin by heating the print with an iron set to a medium-high temperature for about 30 seconds. Gently stretch the fabric and peel the vinyl away while it is still warm. For any remaining adhesive, apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol or an adhesive remover with a cotton ball, then gently rub until clean. This method is quite effective for many vinyl applications. For screen-printed designs, you will typically need a chemical solvent like a screen print remover or acetone. Apply a small, dime-sized amount to the back of the printed area, allowing it to soak through for about 1 minute. Then, use a stiff brush or an old toothbrush to gently scrub the print from the front. Repeat this process as needed, then wash the shirt thoroughly. Always work in a well-ventilated area and wear protective gloves and eyewear when using chemical solvents. Patience is key. Some stubborn prints may require several applications and gentle scrubbing. After removal, wash your t-shirt according to its care label to eliminate any chemical residues. With these tips, you can successfully refresh your school t-shirts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.